Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at everything you need to know about Bootlace crimping. From the tools and their features to the types of crimps and their benefits. Let's get straight into it. First up, we have the FN06WF. This crimper does a nest crimp, meaning it squashes the bootlace pin flat. It has a crimping range on the jaws from 0.5 all the way through to 6 mil. The great thing about this crimper is that it doesn't have a jaw guard, meaning it's suitable for both left and right-handed people. The crimper has a ratchet control, meaning that once you perform your crimp, it springs back out. Another thing I love about the FN06WF is it has ergonomic handles, making it really comfy and easier to use for extended periods of time. Next we have the DL10A. This crimper is sort of the same as the FN06WF, but it has a four-sided crimp, meaning that crimp is applied with even pressure. It also has a larger range, crimping from 0.5 to 10 mil bootlace pins. Again, this crimper is suitable for left and right-handed people, which is awesome. Also has a ratchet control, meaning it springs back open after the crimp is complete. Also, it has super ergonomic handles with finger gaps, making it even easier to use for extended periods of time. Next up, we have this beast. This is the AC40 air pneumatic crimper. Like the FN06WF, this crimper also performs a nest crimp and has a range from 0.25 all the way through to 4 mil. What's awesome about this crimper is it has a super stretchy hose which can plug into an air line, making it ideal for high repetition crimping, which also helps avoid repetitive strain injuries, which is always a bonus. Now that we've looked at all the tools, let's move on to the different types of crimps and their benefits.
Starting with the nest crimp, I'm using a 0.5mm bootlace pin, putting it in the right part of the jaw. As you'll notice, it's supported by 3 sides and crimped from the top. Whereas with a 4-sided crimper, it moves in from either side, giving it a real even solid crimp, as you can see.
Now that we've covered off on the type of crimps, make sure you let us know which one you prefer in the comments below and why. If you'd like to get tools like these, simply head over to our website at UTTCO.com.au. You'll find them under tools, and on the drop down list it will be on crimpers, ratchet crimpers. Or flick us an email on sales@uttco.com.au. Thanks for watching, until next time.